Hello kids, today we are going to learn about repeated subtraction. What we are going to learn today? Repeated subtraction. Are you ready to listen it? Shall we see a story based on repeated subtraction?
Wow! Lot of jamun fruits. It tastes good. My friends also like these fruits. What are you looking there? Tata, I need some jamun fruits for my friends. Okay, Ravi. I will give you some fruits. You share them with your friends. Sure, Tata. Thank you. Hi friends, come here. I have bought some jamun fruits. Let us eat. First, let us count the jamun fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, there are 20 fruits. Now, let me distribute them equally to you. First, I will keep one jamun fruit for each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, leftover jamun fruits are 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 fruits are remaining. Again, I will give you one each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining fruits are 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Now, I am left with 5 fruits only. Again, I will distribute you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, the basket is empty. I have distributed 20 fruits to 5 of my friends for 4 times. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. We have subtracted the number 5 continuously for 4 times. This way of subtraction is known as repeated subtraction.
You enjoyed the story. Shall we move on to the book sum now? If Grandma Chinnattai had 12 paniyarams, how many paniyarams will each one of her 3 grandsons gets? To begin with, we start with 12 paniyarams and distribute them to 3 grandsons. And so 12 minus 3 is 9. Complete the remaining repeated subtraction fact in the table given below. We are going to start from 12. She had 3 grandsons. So we are going to subtract 3 from 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Already they are given the answers. Then we are going to subtract 9 minus 3 because this is a repeated subtraction. No? So we are going to subtract 3 repeatedly from the answers. Okay. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Already you know how to do the subtraction. Okay. 9 minus 3 is 6. We are going to subtract 3 from 6 now. 3 from 6. Leave 6 fingers, fold 3 fingers. The answer is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. How many times we have subtracted? Count the number of times. Then you will get the answer. 4 times you have subtracted 3 from 12. The answer is 4. Each grandson got 4 paniyarams. Like this only you want to do the next sum also. Okay. It will be the homework for you. Next we will move on to the mental max sum. Are you ready? Vanitha had 50 mangoes and she made a packet of 5 mangoes each and sold them. How many packets does she makes? You are going to find the total number of packets. She had 50 mangoes. She made the packet of 5 mangoes. Each packet she made 5 mangoes. We are going to find the total number of packets. Okay. For that we want to subtract 50 minus 5. 50 minus 5. Already you know how to do the subtraction. Do minus 50 minus 5. Here 0 is there. Can't subtract. So borrow from the number 5. And here we will get 10. Here 4. 10 minus 5 is 5. Right? 5 here. You know how to do the subtraction now. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 4. 50 minus 5 is 45. Next you are going to subtract 45 minus 5. Till 0 we want to subtract. Okay. Till we will get answer 0. Up to that we want to subtract. 45 minus 5 is answer will be 40. Next 40 minus 5. Like this you want to subtract up to 0. Okay. 40 minus 5 is here we want to borrow 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 3. The answer will be 35. 40 minus 5 is 35. 35 minus 5 next. 35 minus 5 is 30. The answer will be 30. Next 30 minus 5. 30 minus 5. You should borrow because 0 is here. Borrow one number, that will be 10. The answer will be 25. 30 minus 5 is 25. 25 minus 5. Repeatedly you want to subtract 5 from 50. Up to answer you will get 0. No? Till that you want to subtract 5 from that answers. 20. 25 minus 5 is 20. Next 20 minus 5 is 20 minus 5. Borrow one number 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here 1. The answer is 15. 20 minus 5 is 15. 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5. The answer will be 10. 10. 10 minus 5. The answer will be 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Next 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. How many times we have subtract? 50. If you count that number of times, you will get the answers. Number of packets. Total number of packets. Count how many times we have subtract? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times we have subtracted 5. So the answer is 10. Total number of packet is 10. Total number of packets is 10. At last you want to write the answers like this with the statement, okay? Total number of packets is 10. Are you ready to do the next sum? There are 30 notebooks in a box. If 6 notebooks are to be given to each student, how many students will get the notebook? There are 30 notebooks in a box. If 6 notebook is given to a students means how many students will get the notebooks we are going to find out. For that we are going to subtract 30 minus 6. 30 minus 6. Second sum. 30 minus 6. Do the subtraction. 30 minus 6. You know the subtraction. Here 0. For that we are going to borrow from 3. Here we will change 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 2. 24. Next 24 minus 6. Because this is a repeated subtraction, no? For that repeatedly we want to subtract. 24 minus 6. Here borrow from 1. 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Here 1. 18. Answer. 18 minus 6. Now we are going to subtract 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 is 8 minus 6 is 2. Here 1. 12. The answer is 12. Minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Answer will be 6. Next 6 minus 6 is 6 minus 6 is 0. Up to 0 we want to subtract 6. How many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we have subtracted 6. So the answer will be 5. Number of students will get the notebook is 5. Because 5 times we have subtracted 6 from 30. 5 times we have subtracted 6. So the answer is 5. Number of students will get the notebook is 5. The answer is 5. Like this only you want to do the repeated subtraction. Okay, kutties. Like this you want to do the next 3 sums. Thank you. Bye.